What's up guys, Eric, Verus Engineering, and today we have another simple install on our VB WRX. We've been asked for rain guards for a while, so I ended up designing a unit up, and now we're gonna install it on our car. As far as kit components, you're gonna get a left and a right hand side of this, and then 8 8/32 nuts, which will then bolt this to the hood louver itself. As far as tools required, we're gonna need a drill and a drill bit, preferably a step bit. If you've already done the hood louver install, this is not gonna be that difficult, but if you haven't, and you may need a body shop or some guy to install it if you didn't do the hood louver itself. But I'm not gonna put more holes in our car, but I'll show you what I would do if we were to actually install these and leave them on, but we're not again. And then as far as tools required, like I said, step bit, drill, and then we're gonna use an 11/32 socket. And for me, you can use it on a 1/4" drive, but I'm just using it on like a screwdriver with a 1/4" drive attachment to it. Let's get to the install. All right, so ultimately we have our hood louver, it's already installed. We're gonna basically have to snake this in between the hood, which is like right here. There's this turned up lip. Now, there's multiple ways that you can tackle this at the end of the day. We can trim this little lip and make the install a little bit easier. I'm not, but you could. And then we're also gonna drill some holes right here, and then this little slot right here is where another one of the nuts go through. So to get this socket through, you're gonna have to open up that hole. But I'll show you how I snake it in there. So basically we're gonna kind of come in here like this. We're gonna try and snake it in there like that. And then I actually go on this side, and I actually can see the studs, and then kind of put this into position and get all the bolt holes to line up. And then there you go. The rain guard is actually on the car. We're gonna actually install these nuts real quick right there and there for product photos. But at this point, you would drill this hole out right here. I'm gonna show that closer up. And then I would attempt to figure out where this slot is, which would probably be like somewhere around here. You can also potentially cut this off right here so you can get your hand in there. There's so many different ways that you can tackle this. So right there, you can see the stud and the rain guard around the stud. So that's why I'm saying open up that hole so that you can put that socket through there. And then on this side, you can see the location. So you might be able to get your finger in there and maybe a wrench, but again, like if it was me and I was actually fully installing these, I would probably maybe cut this off, like right here, just right there, and then get rid of this piece, and then I could easily get my hand in there and install that nut there. These are pretty self-explanatory, easy to get to, another easy to get to, and then you've got your rain guards installed. All right guys, that concludes the install manual of our rain guard kit for the VB WRX hood louvers. Yep, rain guard kit for the hood louvers. If you have any other product ideas for the VB WRX or want to see something else, be sure to comment below. We always appreciate hearing some feedback and getting some other information on what you'd like to see on this platform. Be sure to like and subscribe on the various social media outlets. Until next time, I'm out.